right here in New Zealand. Hi, I'm Grant Hackett, proud owner of Smart Sale Real Estate, your trusted partner in all things real estate in Auckland, New Zealand. So let's dive right in. First, let's break down what a foreclosure is. A foreclosure happens when a homeowner can't keep up with their mortgage payments and the bank steps in to repossess the property. This presents a golden opportunity for savvy buyers like you to purchase homes below market value. There are three main ways to buy a foreclosed home in New Zealand: pre-foreclosure, auction, and bank-owned properties. Each has its own benefits and drawbacks. Pre-foreclosure, where you can still negotiate directly with the homeowner before the house goes to auction. Then there's auction. Take your chances and place your bid at an auction, but be prepared to pay the full amount up front. Bank-owned, where you purchase directly from the bank after the foreclosure process is complete. These steps are quite different to just simply buying at auction or dealing with an individual owner. So here are the steps to follow when buying a foreclosed home. First, research and identify the properties. Use online listings and local real estate agents to find them. Secure your finance. Get pre-approved for your mortgage. Next, engage a real estate agent. Find an agent experienced in foreclosures. Don't forget to inspect the property. Ensure there are no major issues. For minor issues, make an allowance in the amount you are prepared to pay. Then make your offer. Submit a competitive bid. Remember to put your best foot forward, as you may not get the chance to increase your offer. Closing the deal. Complete all paperwork, pay the deposit, and secure the property for yourself. Now, here are some bonus expert tips to ensure your success when buying a foreclosed home. Be prepared for competition. Foreclosed homes often attract multiple buyers. Understand the risks. Properties are sold as is, so be aware of potential repair costs. Stay patient. You don't need to get the first home you want to. The process can be lengthy, but it's worth it for a great deal. While buying a foreclosed property can be a great deal, there are some dangers and traps to be aware of, especially in New Zealand. First one of these is limited information and warranties. Foreclosed homes often come with very limited vendor warranties and information, making it difficult to assess the property's condition. Don't forget about owners' resistance. The current owners may not cooperate, refusing access for viewings and/or inspections, and they're quite entitled to do so. This one's so important. No vacant possession guarantee. There is no guarantee that the property will be vacant at settlement, and you may have to fight for access in the courts. As is sale. Properties are sold as is, meaning you may inherit any existing issues without recourse. Buying a foreclosed home can be a smart way to save money and invest property. Follow these tips and you'll be well on your way to securing a fantastic deal. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more real estate tips. Finally, for personalised service and advice, or just to simply discuss your real estate needs, phone me, Grant, on 027 422 5388 or book a chat in my personal calendar. The link is in the description below. Finally, comment on any personal experiences you have had or any tips you have learned. In the meantime, this is Grant Hackett signing off.